wanaag bay noo tahay anaga sababtoo waxaan ka hadalnaa arrimo muhiim u ah Puntland iyo Soomaaliyaba waxaan ka wada hadalnay geedi socodka nabadda Soomaaliyeed waxaan ka wada hadalnay arrimaha nabadgelyada iyo amniga dalka waxaan ka hadalnay arrimaha siyaasadda iyo horumarinta iyo sida Soomaaliya hore u socon lahayd iyo arrimo runtii muhiim u ah wax aanan ka hadal ma jiraan runtii marka dabcan waxa weeye shaqada caadiga ahaydu dalka meelo badan oo kamid uu ku tagtagayay anaga de wanaag bay noo ahayd waxaan marayaa markii u dambeysay waxaa kasoo wartay 6 bilood noo yimaado marka wixii isbedelay dalka ka dhacay baa ugu muhiimsanaa iyo muhiimadda ay leedahay federalismka iyo dastuurka iyo constitutionka iyo wax walba kulla waa ka wada hadalnay marka guul bay noo ahayd oo hadalkayguna runtii wuxuu ahaa mid ku dhacay jawi wanaagsan marka guul iyo khayr baan u rajeynaya insha allah soo dhowow welcome and
Thank you very much, Mr. President, and it's a great pleasure to be back in Garowe. I think it's my 5th or 6th visit here. I've also been to Galkayo and Bosaso. I hope to go to those places again soon, and I'm delighted to discover that it's been raining. I think that's good news for Puntland, good news for Somalia. As usual, we seem to cover a lot of ground in these meetings. I was meant to come a month ago, but that was postponed, so this is part of my responsibility to visit federal member states and meet local leaders, civil society, young people, women's groups. I was very pleased to meet some of your ministers today. I hope to meet others, other important figures today. And it's an important moment. You have a meeting of the federal member states to the CIC, which stands for the Council of Interstate Cooperation. That starts tomorrow in Baidoa, by good coincidence, and then there's the launch of the Constitutional Review coming up. We also discussed the security situation. I'm very happy to hear that the Galkayo peace agreement seems to be delivering real benefits for the local population. I'm concerned by tensions between Puntland and Somaliland when it comes to Tukarak. We discussed that, but also the importance of maintaining security throughout the country and here in Puntland, as well as the upcoming political processes, including the preparations for the 2020 elections, national elections, and of course Puntland has its own elections soon. So thank you for such a rich discussion. I always come away enlightened, and I'm full of admiration for Puntland and the way you have, despite security problems, peace here, and long may it last, and the UN is here to support the people of Puntland to achieve the many objectives that you have, both in the short and long term. Thank you very much indeed.